Can you see my hand? So mucky, dirty from the garden. Right? Can you see? Can you see? I use my hand, not a gloves. No gloves. Use my hand in the soil. Can you see that, guys? Yeah, see? Yeah, guys, that's what I've been planting. Tomato. Yan, pechay. And that is, what do you call this, Doc? I don't know. Ayan, pechay. Ayan, I plant the flowers. And then, this is all need changing. That's why I'm pouring it all in here. This is what I've been doing. Not yet finished. Tomorrow, yan, I planted already the strawberries. The other one there is radish. Yeah, I need to do this next. Yeah, guys, can you see that? I will all change that one. See that? I've been doing that. And this one as well. Yes, I've done this. I plant this. Mine. Ayan, this is my rose. I plant that one. Yeah. This is, I forgot the name. Forgot the name of that. Ayan, my lemon. This is my lemon. That's my lemon. This is avocado. That is my rose. Yeah. Got too many to do. Still not finished. Yes. I'm changing everything. Yeah. Yeah, see you guys. Yeah, all that is all my plant. Need redoing it. Yeah.